Good morning guys. So I'm sorry that I forgot to end yesterday's vlog, but anyway, today we are just having a chill day and we're just about to go down for breakfast. We're just gonna go down to the beach and chill out, so yeah. So it's been quite a while later and we've been to the pool and to the beach. We've been to the pool and we've been to the beach, and at the pool we saw an iguana. We were just discussing this iguana. Jack named it Egbert.
I'm trapped. I'm trapped.
I hope he's just trapped in the dock.
You're now released.
We went to the beach and there were loads of little fishes. And it was really cool. But I didn't bring my camera, I didn't bring my phone. I left all of that at the hotel, so I couldn't film anything. But yeah. Now we're going to this place called Blowing Rocks. But there won't be any like the blowing rocks happening because it's low tide. But there'll be lots of rock pools and stuff.
We're in the blowing rock, although not blowing at the moment. Oh shit, you're recording my impression of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, well that better not make it. This is nice. Can I put that up on there?
Yeah. Oh, it looks so nice up there, doesn't it? It's like a little advertisement for the bag.
It actually is.
Buy this bag and you will swim like the ocean.
Buy this bag and your arm won't be all scraped.
Oh.
Ready?
Okay.
Set. 3, 2, 1.
That's cool. There's little snails.
What?
Everywhere.
Oh, snails?
These.
Is this a snake?
No,
I
snails.
suppose it might have been a scream. There's bigger snails over on that.
I know, I saw them.
Right, go on then. You carrying that alright?
Me.
Oh, you are like that.
So I can't remember the last time I filmed, but it might have been at the Blowing Rocks Reserve. But since then we got back here and we went back to the beach and we're just about to go and get some dinner on the beachfront. So I'm going to show you my outfit of the night. This is what I'm wearing. Look, you can see how messy our room is, but this is for, yeah. This little top is from Misguided, shorts from Forever 21, and there's this which I'm also going to wear, which is also from Misguided, and you can't really tell what it looks like there, but it was featured in my haul that I put up a couple of videos ago. So I'll try and link that in a card if I remember, but if I don't, then just go to my channel and it's like my last haul.
We could get that tonight, couldn't we, then? No. Bad. Evil. What time did the park close?
So I think I failed. I don't think I actually filmed dinner, but it was good. We had fish and chips, and now back at the hotel and we're just packing because we're leaving tomorrow to go to our villa near Orlando. Is it a villa? Yeah, it's a villa. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and never stop dreaming, and bye.